Hello students, I am Dr. Mamta Parekh, Assistant Professor in Department of Management. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on Introduction to Statistics. The word statistics conveys a variety of meaning to people in different ways of life. It comes from the Italian word statista, which means a statement. In statistics, a statement refers to a claim or ascertain about a population or a sample derived from data analysis. These statements can be about various aspects such as measures of central tendency, variability, relationship between variables, or predictions about future outcomes based on the past data. They can be quantitative like mean or median or qualitative like proportions or probabilities. Statistical statements are backed by evidence obtained from data analysis, and their validity often depends on the quality of the data and the appropriateness of the statistical method used. So statement in this statistics statement means they are proved by certain data, certain statistical tool. It also originated from German word statistics, which means political state. The word statistics today refers to either quantitative information or a method of dealing with quantitative or qualitative information. So statistics is defined as collection, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data according to statistician Croxton and Cowden. Various statisticians gives their definition on statistics. So statistics is the science as well as art of dealing with figures and facts. Statistics characteristics. Aggregates of facts are affected to a marked extent by a multiplicity of causes. It is numerically expressed, enumerated, or estimated according to reasonable standards of accuracy, collected systematically for a predetermined purpose, and placed about each other. So statistics are aggregates of fact. Statistics are affected to a marked extent by multiplicity of causes. Statistics are numerically expressed. Statistics are enumerated or estimated according to the reasonable standard of accuracy. Statistics are collected systematically. Statistics are collected for a predetermined purpose. Statistics should be placed concerning each other. Descriptive statistics. The branch of statistics that focuses on collecting, summarizing, and presenting a set of data is known as descriptive statistics. For example, the average age of citizens who votes for the winning candidate in the last presidential election, or the average length of all books about statistics, the variation in weight of 100 boxes of cereal selected from a factory's production time. Function of statistics. It helps in condensation, comparison, forecasting, and estimation of data. Scope of statistics. Statistics is widely used in industry, commerce, agriculture, economics, education, planning, medicine, and modern applications. Limitation of statistics. Statistics has some limitation also, as statistics is not suitable to the study of qualitative phenomena. It deals with quantitative data. Statistics doesn't study individual. It needs a collection of data. Statistics laws are not exact, as we change the data, our laws, our rules, our results could be changed. Statistics table may be misused, as already we can catch or fetch any published data and use in our project. Maybe that result is particularly used in our research or not, matched in our research or not. So statistics is only one of the methods of studying a problem. It doesn't give a solution. Use and application of statistics. It facilitates comparison. Statistics is mostly used for comparison any two sets of data or various sets of data. It simplifies the message of figure, as it is tough to anyone to understand data. But if we represent the data into figure in different designs, in different curves, then it would be very easy to a layman to understand the phenomena. It helps in formulating and testing hypotheses. Statistics is mainly used, its main uses in testing the hypothesis by using chi-square test, t-test, f-test or z-test. It helps in prediction. By the set of data, we can conclude our result and set up our prediction. So there is a question arise whether statistics is a science or art. We know that science is a systemized body of knowledge. It studies cause and effect, relationship, and attempts to make generalization in the form of scientific principle or laws. In statistics, we do this. With the help of any data, we generalize our result, we generalize our phenomena. So we can say that statistics is a science. And art is a skill of a given objective. It handles to achieve its way to presenting and handling data, making inferences logically and drawing relevant conclusions. In statistics, we represent our data graphically with the help of diagram like histogram, bar diagram, pie chart, ogive, and various scatter diagram, and in various form. So representing our data is an art, it is a skill. So we can say that statistics is art also. So if science is knowledge, then art is action. And statistics gives us knowledge as well as it represent our result. So we can say that statistics is both science as well as art. Thank you.